In this video, we have completed the investigation and review, and present here the most trustworthy compact or portable machine choices on the market in 2020. Number 1, upgraded version Pyle portable washer and spin dryer. The people who live in small apartments or dormitories, this Pyle portable machine is ideal. It is a compact design and very easy to use. It is best for all those people who travel a lot or who are always ready to go camping. It gives you a soft wash and is suitable for all types of clothes. Number 2, CUPPET mini portable washing machine. It is outstanding and one of the leading brands in the market. It is perfect for the people who always go for camping and RV. It has a portable machine in good looking, white and purple color. Its entire capability is 8 to 9 pounds. Number 3, COSTWAY mini portable 16 pounds twin tub washing machine. It is also a reliable option for you when you are living in a small place or an apartment. It has 2 tubs, works effectively, and the material of this machine is durable. It is presumed that it saves electricity bills more than others because it only needs 120V power for running. Number 4, best choice products, portable twin tub laundry washing machine. You should invest your money into a best choice portable machine if you are fed up with washing garments with the help of your hands or dragging the clothes for washing in a laundromat. It is a machine which is also very lightweight and space-saving and comfortable to clean your clothes. Number 5, Giantex portable mini compact twin tub washing machine. One of the durable and reliable names in our list is Giantex washing machine. It is a mini and compact design machine which is easily movable from one place to another. It's perfect for a small space. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.